My name's Liz Comrie-Thompson and I'm from Grayndler in Sydney's West. Australia's made a commitment to allocate 0.7% of its GNI to help relieve extreme poverty, and that's something that I'm incredibly proud of. And it's a commitment that we absolutely have to keep. It's only fair. I've stayed with poor families, in the Philippines and in Vietnam, and the people who I met are our neighbours. Our countries are neighbours, and yet the conditions in which they live are so very different, and in many ways so much worse, than how people live in Australia. We, as a country, can help, and it's our responsibility to help by honouring our commitment of allocating 0.7% of GNI to help relieve extreme poverty. It's only fair.